So in this game, you have a grid with hexagons, and they overflow to the right, so you can scroll. And you have to find the hidden treasure. So if you tap and you get, the cells become green, it means the treasure is close. As you can see, there's shades of green, so the greener the cell is, the closer you are to the actual treasure. So we're probably close, somewhere here. Okay, we found it. There's also mines. If you tap on a cell and it becomes red, it means somewhere around it there's a mine, so try to avoid that. Okay, we found it. And if you accidentally hit a mine, the game ends. Okay, let's try again. Okay, we're close. Okay. We had one mine again, so the game ended. But yeah, that's how you play the game. And yeah.